My name is Abhi from MJ Commercial. Today we are at 7 Domain Road in Panmure, which is a 2-level commercial building, almost 900 square meter, set up as an office. Before installation, I saw we were paying somewhere between, just because of the size of the building, we were paying somewhere around $900 a month. Thanks to Keenan from Avid Solar, as of today, I just checked my bill for the last month. I'm paying somewhere around $250 a month. As you can see, a live update on my phone. It's telling me I have saved $628.75 net in last month from the solar. I have worked with Keenan before from Avid Solar. It was, I would say, one of the easiest conversations because it was quite a big project. So I thought, why not get a couple of other quotations? No one could beat Avid Solar. And in my first project, it was done somewhere in 2021, so it's been 4 years. Never had any issue. Power bills are still down by $500 to $600 a month. And his team was just amazing. They know how to clean up, they know how to go on the roof. There was no leaking issues after that, because I have seen a lot of other contractors. They give you a cheap price. They tell you save here, save there, but they don't know how to walk on the roof. And they'll make other issues where you have to spend, if not on the solar. It's very easy to work with him. Just give him a call. He'll be there within a day or two, and ask him as many questions. He doesn't get upset. He doesn't get annoyed. He'll make sure he'll do the best thing for you. You'll go back to him for the next job. He'll make sure of that.
If you're interested in getting solar for your commercial property or your business, you can give us a call. Our number is on our website. You can also fill in the form and we'll get in touch with you. What we'll do from there is we will talk to you about how you're using your power. One of our team will come out and visit you. We'll get to know you, your building, your business, how you're using your power, what you're looking to achieve. The biggest thing in solar is that we want to design a system specifically for you with your budget in mind and with your goals in mind.